Hey everyone, I'm Mecca coming at you, and in this video I want to talk about having multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income in 2017 completely changed how I look at money, how I create income for myself and my family, and it's really gone on to become such an important part of our everyday life now. Multiple streams of income just means having income coming in from more than one source. I was just counting before this video, and I have 6 main sources of income right now where, publishing being one of them. You can actually break down into 4 subcategories, I guess, with coming from Amazon and then 3 other publishers off of Amazon that send me checks every month for the books. So, that's up to 10 different sources of income that I have. The reason you want to have multiple sources is simple, right? Let's take, for an example, an employee. So when you're an employee, you have that one source of income, okay? So that's coming down to you. We'll put, this is you. So that source of income is coming down to you from your employer, right? Now, what happens if you get fired, if you get laid off, if something interrupts that source of income? All of a sudden, how much income do you have? Nothing. There's nothing coming in now. So you're stuck. You're jobless, you're broke, you're in a bad spot. Whereas, and you know what, we could even call this this is like, I don't want to say the poor mentality, but poor people. Poor people have one source of income, okay? Let's just put rich over here. And by any means, I am not saying I'm rich. I'm like slightly less poor. You know what I mean? So I'm still working my way and building my financial picture here. Rich people understand multiple sources of income is key, right? Because what does money give you? Money gives you power. Money gives you security. Money gives you food, shelter, clothing. We live in a financial society. You need money. So they'll have, one source, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 different sources of income. So what's happening? All of these sources of income are paying them money every month, every day, whatever the course is. When I was hanging out with somebody in Vancouver, he was telling me that he has 25 microtransactions coming in every single day. So what that means is he's getting paid from 25 different sources on a daily basis. It's awesome. Because what happens, let's say the economy crashes and we lose a couple of these. So we lose 1 to 3 sources of income. We still have 6 sources. The rich still have 6 sources of income left over, right? Do you think they're really going to notice that those 3 are gone? Maybe, to an extent. But are they going to be in the same situation that this person is? Absolutely not. They've covered themselves and they've set themselves up in a position to take care of their family, to protect their loved ones, to be able to help their poor ass friends maybe. Help them out by giving them some of the money. So you want to do whatever you can to set yourself up so you have multiple streams of income. So how do you find multiple sources of income? Well, the very first way I heard about it was what's called retail arbitrage. So essentially what it is, let's say you go to a dollar store. You go to a dollar store. You find a product for I don't even think dollar stores exist, but I think they're like $1.25 stores now. Okay, for $1.25. Okay, and what you do is before doing this or whenever, you're going to go to eBay and you're going to find, okay, what products are at the dollar store for $1.25 that I can sell on eBay for more than $1.25. You know, $3 to $5. Dollar store, $1.25. eBay, sell it for $3 to $5. You start making a profit. Start making a profit. Easy as that. Okay. Another thing that you can do, you can go, and this was the craziest thing when Gary Vee first introduced this idea to me. Okay, you go to eBay, you find a product on eBay, find the same product on Amazon. Okay, take it to Amazon and sell it for a profit. When I first started my online journey, that was the very first thing I started looking at, called drop shipping, and or it's this type of drop shipping. And I looked at 3 different products, 3 random products. Would have made $86 if I just acted on it. If I bought it from eBay and then made my listing on Amazon and sold it on Amazon, would have made about $86 from 3 random products that I found in like 30 seconds. Another way to profit, okay? Another thing that you can do, you could just go to thrift stores. Similar to the dollar store concept. What you're going to do, find old junk, sell on eBay. There are people making tens of thousands of dollars a month just doing this. Just doing that alone. Okay? I love garage sales. So thrift stores, you could say garage sales. People are always throwing away valuable stuff. Okay? There's that old saying, one man's junk is another man's treasure, something like that. Now, what do all of these take? What do all of these take? They take time and effort. Take time and effort. So right now, if you're looking at this and you're like, oh, you know what, Emeka, that's way too much work. I don't think I can do this. Well, your bank account's probably pretty low. Of course this is work. Making multiple streams of income doesn't come easy, right? Working at McDonald's comes easy. Making multiple streams of income so you can set yourself up financially, that takes work. But if you're broke right now, these are a couple easy things that you can get doing. You can start doing. Now here, I'll help my, people who are not stateside. I'm down in Mexico. So I wasn't able to do this whole idea here because I'm stuck in Mexico. Just logistically wasn't working out. So I started looking at other ways to make money online. That's how I ended up finding Kindle Publishing, right? So Kindle Publishing could be another one that you can do anywhere in the world. Let's put that down. All you're doing with Kindle Publishing is you're getting somebody to write a book. You just get a freelancer to create a book for you. You put that book up on Amazon and people buy it and you sell it for profit. Of course, there's a few more steps. You can take a look at some of the other videos that I have on this channel about Kindle Publishing. There's another thing that you could do. Amazon FBA, right? That's sourcing products typically from China. You source them from China, create a listing, sell it up on Amazon. People making a killing doing that. Okay. You can also do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, super simple. Don't even need a product. All you're going to do is promote other people's products for them and collect a commission. It costs you nothing. except a bit of your time. So affiliate marketing, super, super easy one to get started, low startup costs, okay? And you know, there's so many ways to create multiple streams of income. The important thing is that you just create them, that you start, right? If you're making less in February of 2017, I'm filming this in February. If you're making less in February of 2018 than you did last year in February of 2017, or even if you're making the same, that's a serious problem. That's a serious problem. You need to be increasing your income every single month, adding additional streams of income to your overall income, overall revenue every single month. Last year, in January of 2017, I had one source of income coming in. It was my publishing income. One source, $2,700 that month. Okay, this year, January of 2018, I brought in $2,600 from the publishing, but I made over $8,000 total because I added throughout the 12 months, I added additional streams of income to our family. So let me know, how many streams of income do you currently have right now in the comments below? I'd love to know. Let me know how I can help out. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments. Love to connect with you all. Until next time, everyone, I'm Emeka. We'll speak to you all soon. Take care.